Dear students, today I am explaining about the shares and stock, difference between shares and stock, transfer and transmission of share. Here, the object of this session is to understand the between the share and stock and transfer and transmission. The meaning of stock. Stock refers to the equity ownership in a company or a companies. Stockholders have a right to profit, assets and dividend. Stockholders are not only gets the dividend but also have the voting right and may form a part of a board of director. Meaning of share. It represents the ownership in a single company. The ownership in a company is directly depends on the number of shares that a shareholder owns. For instance, a investor has 50 shares and other person have 100 shares, then the one with 100 shares have more voting right. Next, difference between a stock and share. Stock gives the ownership of the company and companies. Share gives the ownership of one particular company. Unit of share collectively in a company are known as stock. Share is a single unit of a share capital of a company. Stock is used to denote the collection of share. Share is the small unit in which the capital of company is divided. Stock is a generic term to denote the shareholding of a share. Share is a specific term. Stock can be partly or fully paid up. Shares are fully paid up. Stock is comparatively less important in terms of its understanding. Shares are more important term than stock. Stock does not have nominal value. Shares have nominal value, face value. Stock do not have equal denomination. Shares have equal denomination. Next, transfer of share. Transfer of share means it is handling over the rights and duty of member of a company to any other person wishing to become a member of company. It is a voluntary act of a member that is accompanied according to articles mentioned in Articles of Association of a company. Transfer of share means transferring the share from one person to another person, whereas transmission of share means transferring the share only to the legal owner. For example, if the owner dies, the share will be transferred to his son or a daughter. That is called as transmission of share. The party involved in transfer of share. Legal representative of deceased or in case of concerned person is insolvent. A subscription to the memorandum. Transferor, transferee, list or unlist of company. So here you have understand what is the difference between transfer of share and transmission of share. Once again, transfer means transferring the share from one person to another person. If the buyer may be any person, may be an relative or a non-relative. He may be an any place in the India. Whereas in case of transmission of share, you must transfer only after the death of share to his legal dependent, maybe his wife or a son or a daughter. That is the difference between transfer of share and transmission of share.